3 most important apps for trading in 2026. Number 1. MetaTrader 5. Number 2. Tradingview. Number 3. Bybit. Get good trade signals on Telegram, link in bio. Go to Earn Crypto's YouTube profile and click on More. Select the recommended Forex broker and open your trading account. Select the recommended crypto exchange and open your trading account. Get trade signals and step-by-step guide when you join the Telegram channel. Log into your new Forex broker account and click on Open Live Account. Click Select and tap Dynamic Leverage, then click Continue. Copy your account, login number, and password to login on MetaTrader 5. Open your Mt5 app. Click on Accept. Then click on New Account. Type your Forex broker server name. Tap to select. Copy your account number and password. Enter your account number and password on Mt5. Then log into your Forex broker account and click on Open Demo Account. Select Demo Mt5. Choose your preferred initial balance amount. Click Continue. Copy your login details for signing into MetaTrader 5. On Mt5, click on New Account. Search your Forex broker server name. Select and enter your login details. Congratulations! Open your Forex broker account and click on Deposit Funds. Select the wallet you want to deposit into and select your preferred payment method. Click on Continue. Select Visa for debit card method. Enter your payment details and the amount you want to deposit. For crypto payment method, select Crypto and enter the amount. Select your preferred crypto you want to deposit with. Copy the amount and deposit address. Transfer the specified amount to the deposit address and congratulations!